In this video, we'll show you how to replace the sprocket on your GREENWORKS pole saw. Over time with use, you will notice some wear on the sprocket. A worn chain sprocket can reduce cutting performance and cause the chain and guide bar to wear rapidly. Your sprocket may look different than the sprocket shown, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Only use original equipment manufacturer replacement parts. Failure to do so may impact product performance, cause injury, and will void your warranty. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Let's get started. To change the sprocket, the bar and chain must be removed. Remove the side cover and loosen the chain tension. Remove the bar and chain. If there is debris inside, brush or wipe the debris away before installing the new parts. The sprocket will be held in place by either a spiral retaining ring or a C-clip. These parts are interchangeable. To remove a C-clip, use a pair of snap ring pliers. Spread the C-clip and gently lift it from the drive shaft. If the replacement kit you purchased came with a new C-clip, you may discard the one you just removed. Otherwise, save it for reinstallation. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry one end of the ring upward away from the shaft. Once raised, use pliers to pull it off. Spiral retaining rings should not be reused. A new one must be installed. Your unit may have a washer between the C-clip and sprocket. If so, this must also be removed. Pull the worn sprocket off the shaft. Set the new sprocket in place. If your model has a washer, place the washer back on the shaft. Using snap ring pliers, spread the C-clip open and slide it onto the shaft. To install the spiral retaining ring, you will need a 10mm socket and a hammer. Place the ring on top of the shaft. Place the socket on top of the ring. Hold the socket firmly and gently tap it with the hammer, being careful not to damage the socket or shaft. Slowly rotate the socket around the shaft while hitting the back to guide the ring into place. Be advised, this task may take several attempts. If you're having difficulties, contact customer service or replace with a C-clip. Finally, reinstall the bar, chain, and side cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your pole saw, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS pole saw will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.